Hey folks, I'm here in the ground floor lobby at Vibe Student Living. I'm about to show you another really great space that we have for you guys as residents to enjoy. It's your very own residents-only gym. You're going to like this. Come and see. Again, accessible only by residents with your key fob. Come through. Welcome to the gym. The great thing about the gym here at Vibe Student Living is it's open 24 hours a day, every day of the week, anytime you wish. Really well equipped, well lit and well ventilated. You'll find cardio machines, we've got step trainers, treadmills, rowing machines, exercise bikes. We've got a resistance trainer, a water dispenser for you to keep yourself hydrated whilst you're exercising. Lots and lots of space for you to use our mats or bring your own exercise mats to warm up, cool down, do your stretching. We've got free weights here in Vibe's gym for you to get creative, do your own workouts, and we've also got the main bench press to do some more serious hulking out training. So there's a little bit of paperwork to do when you first arrive, and then you're set. You're good to go. One of the main benefits about this space, other than it being great, free, is it saves you the cost of the gym membership. No membership fees at all inclusive in your stay here at Vibe Student Living. Thanks for joining me. Hey folks, you join me again in the lobby here at Vibe Student Living, where we've got yet another amazing space and facility to show you. Come and check out your very own residence fitness studio. Again, only accessible with your key fob. Come on through. So the great thing about this fitness studio is A, it's pretty huge, incredibly well lit, well ventilated with the air conditioning, mirrors all around you so you can check, you can really work on that posture, really work on those workouts or choreography, dance routines, or just come in here and check to see if you're ready to go out and face the world before that night's out. Get your selfie done with incredible lighting. Whatever you want to do, bring your groups, bring your societies in here. It's a fantastic space for you to use. Again, all inclusive as part of the package here at Vibe Student Living. Here for you to use all of the time. All you need to do is come and speak to the team to get this booked for yourself and your friends privately. Hey guys, you join me in the basement of Vibe Student Living, where we have our very own storage facility and cycle store for you to bring your own bicycles or even hire complimentary some of ours if they're available. So come and see this one. Again, all on your residence access pass, and more exclusively than that, we have to know that you're a cyclist to give you the access to this one to keep your bicycle even safer. Come and check this out. So loads and loads of storage, some at ground level, some overhead height for your bicycles. We do have a small fleet of cycles for you to use based on availability. So when we start the next academic year, come and register your interest or let us know ahead of time, and we can allocate you a cycle based on availability for the academic year. Loads of storage. Let me show you the lockers which can be used for your bicycles, your pumps, your helmets, your locks, or just any other storage needs that you may have, perhaps in between the move, or perhaps you've just got loads of luggage, loads of bags, loads of shoes. So we've got lots and lots of storage options for you to keep those private belongings safe, or just the things that are really handy to whack into one of these lockers after or before your bicycle. You can even put a fold-up bike in there. And the great thing to finish this video tour on is the fact, like I said, you're not going to be bringing your bicycle through the lobby, down the stairs or in a lift, because actually there's a door that goes straight out onto the street level. Okay, this is how you come in with your bike access on your residence fob. And from the cycle store, you are straight back onto street level, so you don't need to bring your bicycle down through the lobby, staircases, lifts, awkward banging into everything. With your bike access